Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix find my location problem on iPhone or sharing location problem on your iPhone. So guys, if you're facing problem regarding this, you're unable to share location or the find my share location not working issue on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open settings on your device and then go to general, then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available for you, you have to simply update it, and after this go back and from here scroll it below and go to privacy and security and then go to location services, and then you have to simply turn on location services from here. So guys, simply turn them on, and after this go to location alerts and turn it on as well. After this go back and go to share my location, and then you have to simply go to find my iPhone and turn on all these toggles, and after this go back and turn on share my location from here as well. So guys, you have to simply turn them on, and after this save this information on your device, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply update the Find My app on your device as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, simply restart your device, and after this you have to simply check whether the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go to Sport app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way, and after this hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.